TimTim.Live. TimTim.Live. Congo, tonight I sing your name. I was not born beside your river, but music needs no passport, and pain needs no translation. Today the great people of RDC, yes, to everyone from the great country of RDC, I stand with every soul before God, asking for the spirit of peace to touch every heart, to put an end to the war in the Congo. 30 years is not 30 days, 30 years is not 30 months. A child can be born and grow tall while waiting for the guns to stop. How many mothers must still worry? How many children must learn fear before they learn to dream? From Goma to Bukavu, Kisangani to Kinshasa, Lubumbashi to Mbuji, my Congo. Your children are one. Amani kwa Congo. Peace for Congo today. Pamoja, Pamoja. We will find another way. Let the mothers sleep in peace. Let the children laugh again. Congo, stand together. Let the healing begin. Amani, Amani. Umoja kwa Congo. Pamoja, Pamoja, Pamoja. One people, one home. To my Congolese family living far across the sea, maybe home lives in a memory, your stories your parents told. Grandmother's voice, the cousins laughing, music through the window, weddings dancing through the night. You can cross 1,000 borders, you can live a world away, but Congo travels in your heartbeat. Home remembers your name. When that guitar begins to sing, distance disappears, Congo rises in your soul. 30 years is a childhood, 30 years is a generation. How many more must inherit yesterday's war? Congo, you deserve tomorrow. Schools full of children, farms full of harvest, markets full of families, streets full of music. Let Goma sing, let Bukavu sing, let Kinshasa sing, let Kinshasa sing, let every province sing, let Goma 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 sing. Let there be peace in the Congo. Let there be peace today. 30 years is far too long. Let the guns be put away. No more families torn apart. Let the children dream again. Pamoja, Congo. Let the healing begin. Amani kwa Congo. Amani, Amani kwa Congo. Umoja kwa Congo. Amani kwa Congo. One Congo, one family, one future. Tuko pamoja, one Congo. And wherever you live tonight, Brussels, Paris, London, America, Africa. You may be far from Congo, but Congo is never far from you. One day, may every road lead home. Every village has a song, every family has a story. Every creator deserves to be heard. Share your gift with the world.